Hello, welcome to our channel for creating digital content with artificial intelligence. Today, we will show you a new tool that you can use.
Step 1. Keep close attention because you must keep in mind that Blue Willow works through the Discord community. You need to first join Discord, and you can do it from bluewillow.ai and clicking on Join Beta. If you don't have a Discord account, you must create one. Everything you need is inside Discord because there you will create the images you want through prompts or prompt. I remind you that before joining the Blue Willow Discord server, you will need a Discord login account. After you are already inside Discord, everything will be very easy. Step 2. The second step is to head to a beginner channel. You can generate images with the Blue Willow bot on any server where you have invited the bot. Look for instructions on how to use the bot on your server. Step 3. In the third step, learn the basic command. Interact with the Blue Willow bot on Discord using a command. Commands are used to create images, change default settings, monitor user information, and perform other useful tasks. Here is a simple and most commonly used command structure. To create images, type /imagine prompt plus, and in the prompt box type the description of the image you want. For this tutorial we will type a blue airplane flying in space. Step 4. In the fourth step, execute your first command. That is, click on what you just typed, for example /imagine prompt a blue airplane flying in space. The Blue Willow bot will take about a minute or two to generate 4 options. Step 5. If necessary, re-execute the command by clicking the repeat button. In this case, the original command will be re-executed and a new image grid will be produced. Step 6. In the sixth step, make variations by clicking on the button shown on the screen. Note that to create a variation of the enhanced image and generate a new grid of 4 options. Choose the best variation for you. Step 7. In the seventh step, enhance the image by clicking the U or upscale buttons to generate a larger version of the selected image and add more details. Step 8. In the last step, save your image by clicking on the image to open it at full size, then right-click and choose Save Image. Step 9. Think about generating as many images as you want and remember that everything always works in Discord.
Thank you for visiting our artificial intelligence content channel. Give it a like if you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with these fantastic tools.